Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets iPhone tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn off location tracking or location sharing in iOS 13. So by default, your iPhone will have location sharing turned on, and that means that it'll be sharing its location with several apps, including Apple. Now, one of the benefits of iOS 13 is that we have more configurability when it comes to sharing our location, including only sharing our location when we're using an app. So the app can't just constantly be tracking us. It'll only have our location while we're using it. So to get into the location sharing settings on our iPhone, all we need to do is open up the settings, and then we're going to scroll down in the settings until we see privacy. Go ahead and select privacy. And then in here, you'll see several different options. The first one should be location services. So select that. And if we want to turn off location sharing or location tracking all together on our iPhone, all we need to do is toggle the first location services switch to off, and that'll disable location sharings altogether on our iPhone for all apps. Now, if we scroll down, we'll see every app we have installed on our iPhone. We can go in, we can select individual apps, and we can select if we never want to share location with them or only while we're using the apps. And then you can even give some of the apps the options to always have your location, which can be useful if that app does have a good reason to track your location, such as Connect, which is my Garmin watch. I want it to be able to track my location when I run, so I want it to always have the ability to track my location. So I recommend going through the list below of all your apps, making sure that the location sharing and location services is configured to meet your needs so that apps that need your location have the proper access to your location, and then apps that shouldn't have your location do not have that access. And then one last important location sharing tool is going to be Share My Location. So this is where you would configure Find My iPhone. If you lose your iPhone, you can turn that on or off right here as the first option. And then also, if you have shared your location with any of your family members or friends through Share Your Location, you can turn that on or off right here. As you can see, I have that currently turned off. All right, so that's how you turn off location tracking or location sharing on your iPhone. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more iPhone or iOS tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews or tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.